Alright guys, side to side guys. Okay, single speed rod. Ito yung double guys. Why double? Double sprocket. 1 and 2 speed rod. Ito naman siya, single speed rod. Only 1. Right there. So yan yung comparison niya guys. Side to side. So ito 48 inches, perfect for 50 to 55 pounds. Tapos ito 60 inch yan. Kaya kung makikita nyo, it's longer. Look, oh, side to side yan guys. Single speed rod, double speed rod model. Okay, more metal bracket ang ginamit ko dyan guys. Kabilaan yan. Okay, ito simple lang para lang hindi mahulog ito. Speed rod. Okay, yan ang sprocket, less sprocket, double. Side to side comparison guys. Ito yung sabitan ng propane niya guys. Okay, Venturi. So yan sa guys. Okay, pag may tanong kayo, let me know. Double, single. Double, single. Okay, single speed rod. Okay, yan siya. Easy lang yan, easy removable lang yan. Oh yan, easy removable lang yan. Extra bracket. Okay, bye bye to you. Pag may tanong, let me know.